So if you're like me and you have a YouTube channel, you need a good microphone, a good wireless microphone. And I've been using 3 different microphones, and without spending $300 on the Rode microphone, I thought that I could buy a budget microphone, and I've pretty much spent $300 on 3 separate budget microphones. But here's 3 budget microphones. I'm going to do a review on them for you. And each of them has their own pros and cons, and I'm going to go through those with you today. So I'm here in my backyard, my beautiful backyard, and I've got the drone up in the sky, circling, just playing with some settings. And we're going to do a review. We're going to do a review on 3 separate budget wireless microphones. And I'm kind of nervous. My drone's up there. But yeah, today we're going to do a review on 3 budget wireless microphones. I'm here in my backyard, in my beautiful backyard. I've done a lot of work back here, but nothing better to do. So the first microphone I'm testing that I'm wearing right now is the Nasum, and it's the cheapest microphone. Cheapest wireless microphone on the market, I think, about 40 bucks. And I'll leave a link on the bottom in the description for Amazon. And this one comes with 2 headsets. Two headsets and the lapel that I'm wearing right now. And it comes with 2 transmitters, not 2 transmitters, 2, transmitters. So I believe I should be able to plug this one in. So this is using one of the headsets. And again, it's okay. It's okay for a $40 set. What I don't like about it doesn't come with a case. And it also has, I don't like how it hooks up to the camera. I have to disconnect it to show you that. So this is how the Nasum mic plugs into the side of the camera, and it's actually a bigger jack with an adapter, and on my GH5 I need the adapter. So it sticks out the side of the camera, and it gets bumped very easily, and I've already bent the jack. So it's not the most... all the other ones use a cable like this. They, as the Boya will sit on top of sit on top of the camera like this, and then the cable plugs in like this and goes to the side of the camera, which is much nicer than than having this sticking out with the side of your camera. One thing about the Nasum that I really like, it has USB charging. It doesn't have replaceable batteries. You just you plug in your USB jack and then either plug it into a computer or a wall jack to charge it. So that's very handy. I like that a lot. So that's the Nasum. Cheapest microphone on the market that I know of. Oh, right on the money. All right, so next we have the Moman. And what I like about these, there's actually a built-in microphone. So I don't even need a microphone. So it's working right now without any microphone, or I could plug this in. And now it's working off of here. Hello, Nixon. So it's a good microphone setup. I can't find this one on Amazon. I can find another one like it, but I don't remember paying $200 for this setup. Maybe I did. I don't know, but I can't find the exact one. But again, I will put a link in the bottom of the description. And what I like about these is you can charge your battery through USB. You don't need batteries for these little guys. One of the things I don't like about this is you have to make sure that it's on the same channel for the receiver and the microphone. A couple of times I've went out and it wasn't on the same channel and I couldn't figure out why I had no audio. But as long as you make sure you're on the same channel, they're good. What else? These are just really good little microphones. And it comes with a case. Nice little case. It comes with a case. I said that. And last but not least, we have the Boya. And I've gone through 3 sets of these. And they're just really great microphones. I keep losing one or breaking them. But the downfall of these, it takes AAA batteries. Okay? Other than that, I love these things. These are, I would recommend these, and I will leave a link in the description along with the other 2 as well. So this is the Boya wireless microphone, and it goes for about 150, I think, Canadian. Again, it takes AAA batteries, so that I don't like. But for sound quality, I think it's pretty much the best out of all 3 of them. And it comes with a case. You get a nice little case. It attaches to the top of your camera through the flash shoe. So yeah, these are the 3 microphones that I've spent money on rather than spend $300 on a Rode system. The Rode microphone is most likely the best, I would think, but I don't have one. I would like to have one. Someday I might buy one, but I don't need one. I have 3 sets of microphones right here. I'm probably, to be honest with you, I'm never going to use this Nasum probably ever again. If you just need a cheap microphone, go ahead and try it. Other than that, I would stick with one of these two for sure. So this is the Nasum. Two transmitters, 1 receiver, 2 headphones, 2 headsets, and a microphone. The Boya, 1 receiver, 1 transmitter, and a microphone. And the Moman, 1 transmitter, 1 receiver, and a microphone. Missed the mark.